This is a quick guide to generating plots that have multiple different data series on them in Excel. So you notice I have one set of x values, but I have two different sets of y values that I want to plot against that set of x values. So to do that all on one graph, I highlight all that data, I go to Insert, and I add a scatter plot. Now, Excel has already figured out what to do. It expects that you gave it all of the horizontal data in the first column, and then every column after that is a new series. So if we had a third column after this of y3, it would make a third y series here. Now that you've got this, you can do all the normal things you do with a graph. Axis titles, for example, and so on. If you want to add trend lines, you can do that for each data series independently. For example, let's highlight y2 and add a trend line for that. Now I could click this button, or I could go over here and choose more options, and that would let me also add the equation and the r² value if I wanted it. And if I wanted to, I could go back and add a trend line for y1 as well, pretty much the same way. And again, I could go and use more options to put an equation on there if I wanted.